Pleasant afternoon to everyone. I am Rachel Measumoy, and my question is, what is your definition of success? Some people might say success is all about winning, winning in a competition, winning in a battle, or even achieving all of your goals in life. Or success for some other people might be being rich in money. But for me, success is all about overcoming all those challenges in life, or in simple words, being rich in experiences. I love exploring new things. I'm a person who loves trying new things, even though sometimes I doubt myself. And I realize that all of those challenges and experiences, I sometimes fail, and what I do to make those failures work is that I overcome those challenges by learning throughout from those experiences. And success is not always become being the winner, but success is sometimes being the loser, because from those experiences, you learn a lot of things, and by learning, you can improve a lot of new things. And even if you fail, there's always an opportunity for you to improve some things from those experiences. And for me, it is important that we allow ourselves to learn, allow those experiences to become the foundation of our strength for us to be able to achieve all of those things that we are working on. And in conclusion, success is not always becoming the winner, but success is always trying new things, always looking for something that is new to you as a person. And most importantly, success cannot be defined without hard work, determination, and courage of you as a person. That will be all. Thank you.